Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my favorite tool I use to do my rub over settings. So what happened the other day is my old hammer hand set broke, and I thought, well, I'll do a video because I've got a brand new one here and it's all shiny and new, and so I thought I'd do a video on this. What did surprise me is the price. These have definitely gone up in price, and this one was almost $600. It's not cheap. Next time I might look at getting an aftermarket one, maybe looking at one that might fit my Fordham handpiece that is from another brand, and just give that a go, because $600, that's a lot of money. If you do a lot of rub over or channel setting, this tool is a must-have. I won't be diving too deep into stone setting in this video, as I already have a detailed opal setting video on my channel. This one's all about the tool itself. For me, this tool has been a real game changer. It saves time and lets you work with incredible precision. I've actually kept one of my older hammer hand pieces and set it up as a texturing tool. I've sharpened the end to a fine point, and it's perfect for adding surface detail and texture to metal. It still goes, only just though, only just. There are other hand pieces available to fit different brands of pendant drills. I just happen to use the Fordham setup as it works best for me. The Fordham pendant drills, they're probably a middle of the range pendant drill in price. Fordham is a US brand, and it's a pretty good brand. I've had it for years, and I find that they're pretty reliable, pretty good workhorse. No matter what your setup looks like, adding a hammer handpiece is gonna be a game changer. Okay, so that was a quick video on the hammer hand set. I thought I'd do it while it's all shiny and new, show it off. It'd be awesome if you guys could smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel. That'd be awesome, and maybe check this video out right up here.